Travis Troy. I'm part owner here of Honest Wrenches Automotive Repair. We have 2 locations, one in Des Moines, Iowa, just minutes south of Ankeny, and another store that we just opened in West Des Moines, Iowa.
My name is Joshua Mullins. I'm one of the owners of Honest Wrenches. We've been in business for 11 years. I went to college in 2010, and that's where I met Travis, and we opened the business, and I've been doing this ever since.
So we've got a really unique story. It dates all the way back to when Josh and I were in college at DMAC, and we ended up getting partnered together on an electrical task. And he ended up having an issue with a vehicle, and so he called me up, because we were partners, we had to exchange numbers, and asked me to help him. So I went over there and helped him get a rotor off of a vehicle. And from there on out, we started working on cars together. We started in a legit business. We started in a storage unit. And from there, we were able to grow at our main location, or our first location. And from there, we were able to open this store here.
So it all started in the backyard, just a couple guys doing great work on the weekends, trying to help people out and get their repairs done a little bit cheaper and a quality repair. And then it turned into one location and 2 locations, and maybe even 3 and 4 coming soon. So.